Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by setting intent. Stand close, keep camera on the attacker, and hold the deflect input. Focus on the enemy's wind-up. You want to press the button at the instant of impact, not before. Once done, use short, repeated strikes to read timing differences between regular swings and lightning-modified attacks. Make sure to treat lightning-like strikes as heavy telegraphed hits. They demand later timing. You'll see posture pop faster when you hit the deflect sweet spot, so begin every exchange with that rhythm. You now refine execution. Watch for the red flash or unique sound that marks a lightning-infused strike, and press deflect exactly as the blade connects. Once you recognize that cue, add subtle movement, step back then step in to bait the same attack and condition the boss. Make sure to follow each successful deflect with 1 or 2 fast counters to capitalize on posture windows. Long combos risk a follow-up lightning burst. Practicing this rhythm builds the muscle memory you need under pressure. You finish fights by engineering a clear, heavy swing. Provoke it, deflect at impact, then unload a posture-heavy combo to claim the kill. If your timing fails repeatedly, make sure to back off and retrain on smaller enemies or minibosses with slower lightning moves. Shrinking the variables helps. Once done, if visual cues confuse you, toggle camera sensitivity and try using prosthetic tools like firecrackers to reset enemy patterns, only as a crutch while you rebuild precise deflect timing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.